Hey guys, so I bought a new toy, another crafting toy. This guy is not, in fact, a quilting piece. This is a paper crafting thing. I have been fascinated for a while about book binding and have tried my hand at making some very simplistic things over the years, off and on. Here's one that I found in a box. I was making a cover, and anyway, I've made some actual quilted journal covers, which is awesome. Like, for example, here's one of my quilted journal covers that I use all the time, which is why it's actually getting kind of dirty. Pretty nice, very handy for work and the day job and everything. So anyway, I had been looking at spiral binding machines recently, and then I stumbled across way too many ads for this new thermal Cinch, which is a thermal binding machine. Which is the type of machine that you can use to bind a paperback book. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. It's obviously a crafty one as opposed to like a print shop quality one. So, but I'm excited to try it out, see how well it works. I'm hoping it'll work, maybe as well as some of the print shop ones. We bought this set from HSN, which I rarely shop there, so it was kind of interesting to explore and see what all that they offer on their site. Came really fast. I ordered it on Tuesday this week, and sorry I didn't let you watch me open the box. I didn't realize that that's what it was. I thought it was an Amazon order. So anyway, I had already gotten everything out of the cardboard box, so I thought I could share with you what all came with this set. So we've got the machine, which I haven't opened yet, but I will in here shortly. The package that I bought had some extra supplies. These are glue spines. So how this machine works is it will glue pages into your cover, much like our paperback book. So there's extra glue spines. And then there's some pre-made spines. The spines are like the end part of the book. So there's some scalloped ones, some kind of spiral or rainbow colors, and some more neutral colors. And let's take a look at this machine. The box is pretty. It's all rainbow. It's got, basic instructions on the back. Compile cover and pages, select binding and accessories, bind with the thermal cinch. Struggle with the box here. It is a pretty box. It's not very big. It's not very heavy, by the way. I didn't know what to expect, whether this was going to be a big, heavy machine or something along the lines of like my Cricut, but it's not. It's actually like really lightweight. I mean, this is lighter than a toaster, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to take the styrofoam out of the way. Looks like a main unit. Okay. So main unit, basic electrical plug. I think, yep, it's like kind of opens up a bit like a toaster actually. This in the back, I think, is supposed to be where you cool the books, and then in the bottom, looks like that's a kind of a heating element. That's where you set the books while the glue is melting. What else is in here? Okay, there we go. A couple more spines. Looks like these are the pre-made ones. They have the glue strips already there. So, and there's a cute little binder clip. Okay. And also instruction manual. So, yeah, there's looks like from some of the videos I've watched online, it doesn't look super difficult. The hardest part's going to be picking out the papers and getting everything lined up right. But yeah, anyway, I will take you along with me when I try out my first project on this guy. I'm kind of looking forward to it. It's going to be a rainy weekend here in San Diego, so I may have some time indoors to play. Talk to you guys later.